One of the nicest features of your new jacuzzi tub is something that you'll never see, but every time you settle in for a relaxing soak, you'll experience it. Peace of mind, knowing that you're in the cleanest, freshest, most relaxing water possible. Thanks to our exclusive ClearRAY Water Purification System. ClearRAY uses proven natural ultraviolet light to sanitize your water, disinfecting bacteria, viruses, and algae. The same technology that bottling and beverage manufacturers, municipal wastewater plants, hospitals, and other healthcare environments use to keep themselves clean, safe, and healthy. Using its trusted high-powered strength, ClearRAY works instantly and simply. Within seconds of water entering the ClearRAY system, 99.9% of waterborne bacterial and viral DNA is destroyed, thus eliminating the opportunity for growth. Not only that, but it disinfects the entire tub faster than traditional water care systems. The other part of the peace of mind you'll have is simply the peace. The ClearRAY system is effortless, effective, and reliable. This powerful system is eco-friendly, so you'll use 50% less sanitizer than traditional methods. There's no setup or programming required. ClearRAY is standard on all models. The durable, long-lasting ClearRAY system is integrated into your tub's plumbing. An annual bulb replacement is all that's needed. The control panel even indicates when it's time to replace. Eco-friendly also means no odors and no skin irritants to detract from your spa experience. So immerse yourself in the crystal clear water and relax. ClearRAY is making your experience clearly better.